So we started with topic 5, page 251. Before we start with our new topic, new unit, we are just doing review what you know, and we'll revise. If you have finished this, let me know so that I go further. Done? So except Majdalin, all you here. Girls, did you all finish?
Yes.
Others? More? Finished? Girls, I will erase. Let me know if you have finished. Miral. Finished?
Yes.
Open up and say, girls, how will I know whether you have done or not? If I erase and you haven't done. Okay, first one. Simple. When I want to make x alone, plus will go that side and become, remember I told you, plus will go that side and become minus. Please, who has the calculator? See, here the multiplication will go and become division. X if I want to make alone, 91 over 14. Very important, girl, this one. If here x I want to make alone, this plus goes and become minus to the other side. If x I want to become alone and there is no plus minus, that is multiplication, it goes down and become division. Here, 3, the division, it is division. It goes up and become multiplication.
Okay.
Very important, girls. The plus, if it was minus, it will go that side and become plus. If it is plus, it goes to the other side and become minus. Here, what is the relation between 14 and x? Multiplication. It goes down and become division. Here, again, 3 is 1 divided by 3. 3 goes up and become multiplication. Simple, Miral and Dana. If you see something down, it will go up. If you see something like 5x equals to 3, this 5 will go down. Down will go up will go down, plus will become minus, and minus will become plus.
Okay.
This was to revise. Now, Miral, can you solve this with me? These are the families questions, same families. Like terms. We call them same family. They are actually called as like terms. Start. Okay, Dana, you do with me. 1 over 4k.
Miss,
Yes, Miral. 1 over 4k
and 2 over 3k.
minus 2 over 3k. Don't forget. Then 1
Then
over m
over 4m
and 5 over 9.
plus.
Yeah. Let us solve 1 over 4 and 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3. 12, because I told you cross multiply, and 3 minus 8. So I get as, I think you remember this, I told you 4 times 2, 8, 3 times 1, 3. Minus 5 over 12k, minus 5 over 12k, and let us solve 1 over 4 plus 5 over 9, again 45 and cross multiply, 9 plus 20, 29 over 45m. The answer I'll write here, minus 5 over 12k plus 29 over 45, and this is the answer of the first one, 8th one. Next, minus 4b, and again you have minus 4b, same family, plus 2w plus 8w, minus 8b plus 10w. This is your answer. Let us bring numbers. First, let me bring minus 5z, minus 4z, and then plus 6 plus 8 plus 1. This is plus 17. And 5 and 4, I need to plus it because both are same sign. 9z. Even if you don't know, just use your calculator. Minus 5 minus 4 is how much? So minus 9z plus 17. Any questions till here?
No. So now let us start lesson 5.1. Okay. So please turn to page number 254. Kole buys a new laptop for 335. He makes a down payment. See, imagine you went to Jarir bookstore or anywhere and you bought 335 reals. Actually, it's never a real for a laptop. He makes down payment. What is down payment? That in the beginning he gives $50. And the rest in 6 equal monthly payments. Listen to me very carefully. This is all what you have to learn nowadays because you all are doing that. First, I give $50. So of course I need to minus 335 minus 50. Okay, first thing I will minus it. Why? 5 and here 13, 285. Okay. Now this 285, I divided in how many equal monthly payments? 6 equal monthly payments, P. 1 minute. If I leave that, if I don't subtract it, what did I do? 335 is the total cost. In that, first I gave $50 and then 6 multiplied by P. In 6 months, I gave P dollars. I don't know how much is this P. So 335 equals 50 plus 6. See, again, it's clearly given to you. 335 is the total cost. The 335 is the total cost. In that first I gave 50 and then next 6 months I have to give P
I don't know what is the amount. So let the amount be, the payments be P. They are giving you the payments be P. So that's why it is 335 equal 50 plus 6P. Is this clear?
Yes.
Noor, any questions?
No.
No? I'll go to next question. I'm not supposed to put next question. Okay. At the mall, Clary buys a hat that is 60% off and socks that are reduced to 5.49. She spends total. Total I have to write always after the equal to sign. See girls here. She spends total how much? She spends total 9.49. Okay, I write here 9.49. Total is this much. And 60% of socks that were reduced to 5.49, and X represents the cost of hat. Now X plus 5.49. Of course, the total has to be 9.49. So this is the correct option. The total has to be 9.49. So this has to be correct. It cannot be 5.49. The total is 9.49. So the second option is correct. They never gave you 0.4, but this is just, you know, we take an idea that the total cost is 9.49 and we check here and we get the answer.
Oh, okay.
Because here they did not give you anything. Okay. Rita started the day with R apps. Then she deleted 5 apps. I don't know how many R apps are there. So of course I will minus 5. Listen to the carefully. Like imagine in the morning you had R apps and then you deleted 5. So of course I'll make 5. And still had twice as many as Cora. Still has twice as many as Cora. Write an equation that represents the number of apps each girl has. Okay. In the question here they gave total apps are how many? Total apps are 36. Okay. Cora has how many? She has 36 apps. Why did I divide it by 2 girls? Because there were 2 girls. R minus 5 I divided by 2 because there were 2 girls. I know this is a tricky question. First of all, Rita started the day with R apps. She deleted 5 and still had twice as Cora. Twice as much as Cora. I see. Maybe Cora had total 36. So, okay, better we don't do this divided by, you will get confused. Simple girls. R minus 5 still had, she had 2 times that of Cora. She had 2 times that of Cora.
So I will do 2 times 36. Where did the 36 come from? Because in the question, clearly in the picture, they have given you that Quora has 36. So 2 times that of Quora. So that is 2 times 36. Understood? Had our apps, she deleted 5. But still she has 2 times that of total Quora's app. Quora has 36. 2 times 36.
Okay.
Question 5. It's you don't need to write, girls, just know that this is 5 times n. You can make any problem 5 times n minus 6. Like example, they said we picked n tomatoes from 5 plants, and then we took out or threw 6 tomatoes, and then 19 were left. Any story you can make, so there is no need to do the 5th one. Kayla's baby sat for 11 hours this week. That was 5 fewer than 2. Okay, total how many hours? She said 11 hours. That was 5 fewer than. Girls, 5 less than, 5 fewer than. So always I write 2 over 3 minus 5. 2 over 3. Now you'll say, teacher, why didn't she write 5 minus? For minus, I'm always writing later. I'm not writing first. 5 fewer than. So 2 over 3, h minus 5. For your test, I will just change the names and something like that. Names and numbers. Done, girls?
I'm still learning. Done.
A farmer shipped oranges in wooden crates. Suppose each orange weigh the same amount, the total weight. They gave you the total weight is how much? 25 4 pi. I told you something. What is total? You will write first, or you will write after, but means the sign of equal to has to be there. So total weight is 24.5. That means it is, they said the empty crate is 15 lb. The empty crate is 15 lb, and with the oranges it is 0.38. All right. So the total weight of the crate with G oranges, is 24. Write an equation. Now I have to take the crate, the weight of the empty crate, right? Because 15, and then I will take the, with the oranges, 0.38, and I'll multiply with G. Now girls, why did I multiply with G? Because I don't know how many oranges are there, but I know the weight. The weight is given here. For one orange, it is 0.38. For G oranges inside, it will be 0.38 multiplied by G. Plus also you need to take the weight of the crate. Again, girls, when you weigh something, you will weigh the cover also, right? So the cover plus oranges. One orange is 0.38. So G orange is 0.38 times G. Any question here? This all total will give me 24.5.
I took 15 plus, I cannot only, if I just take girls, if I don't take this G, that means 15 plus only one orange. Do I need one orange? No, I want this. Maybe their G means 10 or 20, I don't know. So that's the reason instead of, I will put 0.38 times G. Next question. Georgian wrote the following description. 3 fewer than. Didn't I tell you fewer than means will always come after the word? Fewer than means it will always come after. 1/4 of x. 1/4 x minus 3 is equals to 12. Girls, this is the simplest one. If you don't get this, that means you did not understand anything. Again, 3 fewer than, okay? I told whenever it is fewer than, you'll write 3 later. 1/4, 1/4, x of x means multiply by x equals 12. That means nothing but x over 4 minus 3 equal 12.
Okay.
8-1. Noor, got it?
Yeah.
How about Dana? 8-1. Miral?
Yeah.
Zishan?
Yeah.
Yes.
Minus, I will write later. I told you fewer than things or less than, I'll write later. 1/4, 1/4 x, because this is important again. At a graduation dinner, an equal number of guests were seated at each 3 large tables and 7 late guests were seated at smaller. Total, how many guests were there? 37. So I'll write 37. And 3 large tables. I can take number of seated n in the large tables. Okay. So I'll take 3n plus 7 guests were lating. 3n because 3 times large tables. How much is that? N is for number of people in the large tables. So 3n, and then later 7 people came. So I wrote plus 7, that is equals 37.
Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Anyways, I'm just finishing up, okay? I'll continue with the next class. Thank you so much, guys.